Welcome to Picking Principles. Today I'm going to attempt to pick this lock. It is a 5-pin lock, painted surface, so I don't know if it's any brand. I could scrape it off afterwards, I suppose. And afterwards I'm going to try to gut it as well, and we'll see what's inside. I'm using I'm assuming wiper insert in 30s thousandths. And this tiny little pick. Let's get started. Oh, tough getting under one there. Nothing on one right now. There we go. Nothing on two. Oh, I just heard a little click like I dropped something. Maybe I don't have enough tension. Nothing on three. Four is rubbing. Oh, big click out of five. Might have dropped a little bit. Let's go back to one. No, one's all the way up. It's set. Two feels good. Three feels good. Oh, there we go. A little movement there. So one set. I don't feel anything on two. I must have overset it. Three's a little springy. Four is a little springy or mushy. And five feels good. I think I overset two. Let me drop it a bit. There we go. Got it open. Okay, I don't have a key for this. So, let me see. Let me keep that in so I can take off that backing. There's that little pin. So I know that these things that are standing out the top are for doorknobs, or something like that anyway. And they do have a nice backing, so you know, if my pick gets too far in, I hit the back. But I think I'm going to leave it off for the future. Okay, where's my tweezers? Take out that retaining pin. Let's dump the spring so I don't lose it. There we go. Get my follower, and let's see. Ooh, that rotated quite a bit, didn't it? Okay. Don't need that anymore. Good. Don't lose any of those key pins. Alright, now I'm going to try something a little different here. Let's take a look at these key pins from inside. Because what I'm noticing is I use this shallow hook quite a bit. And I'm having a kind of a difficult time setting deep pins or finding a single pin without having the front edge here hit other pins. So just for fun, find pin 1. Okay, I can, oh, too far down in the wording there. So pin 1 I can lift no problem. Pin 2, yeah, moves pin 1 a bit. 3, you'll notice pin 2 rises. I mean, pin 3 is way out right now, but there we go. So when I get pin 2 to the shear line, pin 3 to the shear line, pin 2 is nowhere near. Oh, drop down. Okay. Oh my goodness. Pin 4, and way back at pin 5, if I can find it. Look at that. I don't know how well you can see that. But pin 5, when I get it right to the shear line, I basically have pin 4 and pin 3 also at the shear line. Pin 3 is at the shear line. Pin 4 is just a tiny bit low. And if I overshoot pin 5, well, of course I overshoot them all, but right when I get 5 to the shear line, I got that big click in the beginning. It looks like I probably set 3 and maybe 4 if I got lucky as well, which is why this was such a quick pick. So let's dump these really quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. One is pretty short, but the others are all pretty long. 1 and 5 are kind of short pins. And then, let's see. Have them spring up on us. I'm sure we're not going to see anything special here. Just pin 1, driver pin 2. You can see the springs trying to poke free there too. Oh, 3 got away from me. A little corrosion on these. I'll show you in a minute. Oh, 4 is tiny. Oh no, just look that way. And the final driver pin. So let's take a look at those, corrosion and all. And all the driver pins are standard and equal size, and there's quite a bit of corrosion on at least 3 of them. It's pretty standard driver pins, got some of them upside down right now, but pretty standard driver pins. Couple long, couple short. Anyway, thank you for watching Picking Principles. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. Please subscribe. And I don't feel anything under there really. Could be embossed. Maybe I'll scrape that off another time. Oh, almost lost some springs. Well, thank you again, and we'll see you soon. Take care.